For today's video, we're going to do a teacup illustration using a real coffee. Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. First, let's get ground coffee powder, a spoon, and a small paper cup. I'm going to mix about 3 tablespoons of coffee powder with 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure you stir them nicely so the coffee will melt all the way. Ready! I'm going to use this plastic paint palette today. And I got my 2 favorite brushes. One's a small size, one's a regular size. Today's design is going to be done by Anna. Now, I'm going to sketch a teacup and add floral illustrations to it. We are ready to paint. Painting with coffee is no different than using watercolor. Let's use the coffee paint that we made earlier. I could smell the coffee while I paint. This is really nice. Last, I'm going to add my favorite part, accidental splash marks on the table. We all done! Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!